Hi, Luke here for Zip Scanners, where we offer free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support. We're going to go through some quick questions that we get often regarding police scanner radios. One of the most common questions we get is how many frequencies will my radio hold? And like all things scanners, it depends. So it depends on what type of scanner you get. So you can look at the police scanner radio page, the specifics tab, and it will tell you exactly how many you can hold. Lowest amount that you can hold is the Untitled BCD 75, and all the new digital scanners like this Whistler TRX1 hold thousands and thousands and thousands. Honestly, I've never heard of anyone using them all. I won't even worry about with the newer models. So if you need a new phase 2 digital scanner, which most people need anyway, how many frequencies will my scanner hold really isn't a concern, so I wouldn't worry about it at all. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below, or check out zipscanners.com, or reach out to our customer service team if there's any other questions we can help with. Thanks.